left hand. White key once you can, when you get your black key. Left hand. First, you start with left hand. Left hand is G flat, B flat, D flat, and double the G. And the second chord is top stays, top and bottom is the same, and left hand, the middle note comes to C flat, so which is B and E flat, so which is this one. So back to the first note. So first measure would be and next measure would be G flat again octave and then come with 1, 2, 4 and 3, 5. And now I will call B2, which is black key part 2. So start on D flat, and left hand F, D flat, A flat. But use finger number 1 to 4. It's easier to play it rather than 3, 5. If it's a 3, 5, it's easy to sleep. So use 1, 2. And then the bottom note will be the same. Top note coming to E flat and left hand coming to B. And last note, go back to A flat. And the next measure will be coming up to D and right hand. It's better to hold it if you have a big hand, because do you see it? It's dotted quarter note, means you have to hold it through. So it will, the next note will be A flat, C flat, which is B, and E flat. If you don't have a big hand, that's okay. You can just go like this. But if you have a bigger hand, just hold it. And I'm literally stretching a lot, yes. And then coming down thumb, the next black key, E flat. That will be the note. And then the next part is the same as the first one again. So G flat, B flat, D, and again the next one. So black key part 1. Again, the same thing. And then B, E flat. And now this part you change. Now I will just say it. B, black key part 3, which is B and E and A flat and E flat. Use 1, 2, and then coming back to C flat and then B flat, F, A flat, D. So you roll. This squeaky mark means you roll it. Now transposing to white key. The next step is B, G flat, B, G sharp, and D. And next part is moving to white key, which is literally the same note, but we shifted to the white key. So G, B, D, it's much easier. And the next part, white key, this one, the middle note just is shifting from B to C. So we're coming back again. And next one, and the next two chord would be C chord. So C, E, G. And then G chord. So 1, 2, 4, and then 1, 3, 5. And the following would be D. Now, F sharp, D, A, the next chord. And then 1, 3, A minor chord, and E chord. And next measure will be coming up to D. And this is the same as the blocky part. And now, do you remember I said if you can hold it down, hold it. If not, just let go. But the next note will be A, C, E. And then the following chord is just thumb 1 stepping down to D. Rest. And then the same chords coming back. Right key part 1 comes back again. And G, the next chord will be 1, 2, 4, C chord. And G chord, D, G, B, D, G. And then, now this is one of the most confusing part. I will just say it, Y key part 3. The next note will be C sharp and A and G. And then the following note is C and A and G. So C sharp, A and G, C, A and G. And next measure would be B and G, D. And next chord is B and B and G. And A and E, B. And D, A, C. And then the following chord is coming back. And G, C, E. So 1, 2, 3. So G, C chord, G chord. And then the last one would be G. Coming to C, G, E. And G stay. And thumb comes down. And then the bottom note will be D. And G. And you go down the same G with thumb, D, G. That's the left hand.